We finally have the solution for the Y62 rear wheel alignment being knocked out of adjustment. Introducing our Camber bolt lock plate kit. This billet base plate is fitted under the bolt head and it braces the two side tabs that we commonly see bent. Then, once you've had your wheel alignment done and torqued up correctly, we fit this locking plate to stop the bolt head from rotating when it cops a big hit. Let's show you how to install them. The easiest way for you to do this safely at home is to jack the car up, put it on axle stands on the chassis, remove the rear wheels, take the spring out so you're not working under tension, and then you can attack the Camber bolt locking plates. We mark the nut side with a paint pen or a Textar so that we can get the alignment close as a starting point when we reassemble. Then we can send it off to get a proper wheel alignment. So with a soft hammer, we can just knock this bolt through and then pry it out the other side. So now we can fit the base plate over these two tabs. If these are bent, you will struggle to get this on, so you do need to straighten them. Once fitted, you can slide the bolt back in. So we have our mark on the washer here. We need to line that up again. You can see it won't go in yet, so we'll just rotate based off the head until the washer goes in. If we just do that nut up loosely, then we can rotate this back around to where it needs to be. Once you've had your wheel alignment done and the bolt is torqued up to at least 137 Newton meters, then you can fit this locking plate. It goes on in 4 different positions, upside down, and there's 2 holes, and we recommend a little bit of thread locker. So we'll just do the exact same process onto this lower control arm here. The locking plate needs to fit to the front of this arm. It cannot fit to the rear. All right, so again, sliding the base plate on has to go under the bolt head. So again, we need to slide the washer on and try and line it up with our Textar mark. You can see how much the arm moves and consequently the bolt when we rotate it. So that's our plan here. Now on an STL, the sway bar runs through here, so you will need to remove it to be able to fit the Camber locking plate kit. You'll need 4 of these to do the rear of your Y62. You can find them at patrolapart.com.au.